Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for the HP 15s-FQ laptop. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the necessary steps to ensure your laptop runs smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, gather the required tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a can of compressed air, a microfiber cloth, thermal paste, and isopropyl alcohol. These tools will help you perform a thorough maintenance check. Begin by powering off your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This is often done by sliding the battery release latch and gently lifting the battery out. Now, let's focus on cleaning the exterior. Use the microfiber cloth slightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol to wipe down the keyboard, touchpad, and exterior casing. This will remove dust and grime that can accumulate over time. For internal cleaning, you will need to unscrew the back panel using your Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure to keep track of the screws, as they come in different sizes. If you find this task challenging or prefer not to do it yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the back panel is removed, you'll have access to the internal components. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the cooling fans and heatsink. This is vital for maintaining proper airflow and preventing overheating. Be sure to hold the fan blades in place while cleaning to avoid damaging them. If you notice that the thermal paste on the CPU and GPU is dried out, it's a good idea to clean it off with isopropyl alcohol and apply new thermal paste. This will help in maintaining optimal temperatures during operation. Again, if you don't have the tools or experience for this, we can assist with pickup and delivery at your home so you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back on, ensuring that all clips are secure and that you have replaced all screws. This step is essential for maintaining the integrity of your device. Before powering on your laptop, double-check that the battery is securely in place. When you turn it on, observe if the fan operates quietly and efficiently. If you notice any unusual sounds or performance issues, please remember we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Finally, regularly perform these maintenance checks every few months to keep your HP 15s-FQ laptop in optimal condition. A little maintenance goes a long way in extending the life of your laptop and enhancing its performance. Thank you for following along with our maintenance guide. With these steps, you can ensure that your laptop remains a reliable tool for your daily tasks. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.